Hi, I'm Tu. So after building several machine learning models based on different feature representation of documents to classify the job advertisement categories. So in this phase, I will use Python Flask Web Development Framework to create a NLP web-based data application named Job Search. So our application is in the Flask folder here, and I created a package named Flask Job to create our application. So let's run the application from a run.py file here. So I run the application in development environment to easier to debug. And then I will copy this URL and paste it in Google Chrome. Alright, this is our homepage. So as you can see, like this homepage is like responsive. Yeah. Okay. So like on the homepage, we have each category of the job. First is accounting finance, second engineering, third healthcare nursing, fourth is the sales category. So for each category, we only display the previews of each job. In order to see the full description, we should click on the link. So we can see the whole description of the job advertisement. So let's see. So we also can see the job provided in categories using the navbar here, like accounting finance, engineering, healthcare nursing, and sales. So we can also search for the job. So for example, I want to search for service job. So I enter service keyword and then search. So the search function only display the seek results from the whole advertisement job listing. But we can see all of the job advertisement that include the service word here. Alright, let's use the function login and register verification. So we first, for new user, we should register to create an account. And then if you already have an account, let's sign in. So for me, I already have an account. So actually I hard-coded here. So for my account is cat@gmail.com, and then password is tnathu-ai. Remember me, log in. So after logging in, you can go directly to the admin page, which allow you to post the job listing. So here we have a title and description. So let's find random job title and description. So we have data folder here. I will go with this and then choose randomly. Value risk manager. That sounds cool. Then enter it into the listing. And then classify it. Oh, so my classification model correctly predicted the accounting finance category, and I'm gonna save it. So right now you can see I have a URL including value risk manager. So let's see if I can run it again. I'm still able to see it. So why is that? So after running the save button, so let's close this folder first, and then there is a job listing created here named value risk manager.html. So the same button helped me to create a new HTML file for the new job listing. Alright, let's go back and enter. So we also able to override the existing job category, anything randomly cat, and then click save on it. No, the recommended category must belong to engineering, accounting, finance, healthcare, nursing, or sales. So I need to enter something seems right. So let's enter sales. And then when I save it, yes, this is also the value risk manager, but it belongs to the sales category, not the accounting finance category anymore. Alright, let's go back. So after going back, we're able to log out of our account, and then and then let's go to the about page. So it was created by me. This is my GitHub page. And so I enter something that seems wrong. So we also have customized arrow page here. Thank you for listening. See ya.